What's up guys? So I wanted to put this video together for anybody who's looking to come to Bali right now in 2021 and break down the whole process of how to get here, the visa application process, flights, quarantine, everything, costs included, all in this video. Let's get into it. So step 1, you will need to apply for the B211A visa to come to Bali right now, and there's many different agencies offering this visa, but I highly recommend the one we used as it was a really simple and easy process. If anyone's looking for the contact for the person we used, you can DM me on Instagram and I can send you on the number for WhatsApp. When applying for the visa, there's going to be 3 forms you're going to be sent to fill out. The first form is the health monitoring agreement, which is just a simple form with some basic information. The second form you're going to need to fill out is the insurance declaration and emergency contact. So you will need to have travel insurance and you'll need to submit that with your travel insurance number and also give an emergency contact for that form. And the last form you need to fill out is the quarantine agreement, which is basically another simple form just agreeing that you're going to undergo 5 nights quarantine in a hotel here in Jakarta. Now, step 2, and also sorry for the random lighting change, but today when I recorded the clip it got deleted when transferring the files. But anyway, the next step is PCR tests and documentation. So once you've obtained your visa, which you'll be sent either via email or WhatsApp, you can then book your flight. Now, the B211A visa is a single entry visa, so you only need to book a one-way flight if you're not sure how long you're staying for, and with this visa you can stay in Indonesia for up to 6 months. Another thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the prices of the visa. We went for the 10 working day visa processing time, which cost €390 each. It's also an express service which takes 1 to 3 days and it costs €500 for the visa. You will also need to get a PCR test before you board your flight to Jakarta, and it'll be valid for 72 hours, so just make sure you get your timing right because you only have 72 hours from when you get the results. You will need to print out all your forms like your visa and your PCR test because you're going to be asked for these at the airport many times, so it's best to have them all printed out and at hand for when you're asked for them, just to keep the whole airport process easy for yourself. Step 3, hotel quarantine in Jakarta. There is a list of different government approved hotels which you can choose from, all in different price ranges from 3 to 5-star hotels. I highly recommend the hotel we're staying in for the comfort and for the price. For 2 of us in a double bedroom which included 3 meals per day and the 2 PCR tests included, and also airport pickup which brought us from the airport straight to the hotel. The total of all of that for both of us was €455. We're staying in the Ibis Hotel Simapong. You'll be able to see it in the list, and you can also get their number there and you can contact them and book it via WhatsApp. So finally, you'll get your PCR test taken on day 2 of your arrival and also day 5, and then on day 6 you will be cleared to leave the hotel and you'll be given your certificate which shows that you've completed quarantine and you've tested negative for both of the tests, and you can then fly from Jakarta to Bali and you're free to travel around Indonesia. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand the process, and if you have any questions at all, comment down below and I'm more than happy to answer any questions. If you have got value from this video, I would really appreciate you hitting that like button, and if you'd like to follow along our journey while we're traveling through Bali, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. And we will see you in the next video. Peace out.